I didn't want to come here, but it was pouring with rain and we're like, well, where are we going to go? We're staying not too far away, and we ended up coming here anyway to the famous Preikestolen. Pronunciation is below in letters, and known as the launch pad. And honestly, oh man, it's cool. Meet Espen, this is our guide, local Norwegian guide, and he's helping us come to some of these top secret places like this here. And yeah, thanks man. We would never have found this without you.
Not many people know about this.
I think this is probably the best shot of this spot. I've seen a million shots, a million perspectives of this place. Instagram is cluttered with this place. But it's not going to stop me from shooting it because I think it's an awesome place, and I just feel like taking a photo. I don't care about the hype and whatever's going on, so we're gonna come around here like we've done now, and Espen, our Norwegian friend, is just about to hike back out there and stand in the shot for us just to give some scale, and I think it just looks better with a person in it. It really makes that rectangular corner there just look awesome. I've shot this with a 7-14 and I've come sketchy close to the edge here without being unsafe, and leaning over, trying to avoid getting the edge in the shot so you really get that free floating vantage point. And obviously we had Espen, the person, in the shot. Turns out he was tiny in this landscape, actually surprisingly small, and yeah, it was awesome. I mean, I love the composition, explains itself really, and let's see what we can do pushing out those colors. It's a beautiful blue hour, and the 7-14 really stretches the whole landscape, fits it all in, perfect combination. I hope this shot is good. Welcome to location number 2 of this episode. Today we are at a waterfall here in Norway. Obviously we've come to a waterfall. It's been pouring with rain, tons of water coming down the mountains, and this thing is pumping. It's so full of energy. So instead of shooting it from up here from the viewing platform, we're going to climb down there and get as close as we can get, probably get absolutely drenched, and yeah, get that energy in the shot. Really compress the whole shot, just have the water, and I'm going to put a person in the shot for some scale and just to make it more of an experience than just a landscape shot. Now, we're going to get soaked, and so is our camera gear, but honestly, with the EM1 Mark II and the Pro lenses, I really never have any, it just gives me peace of mind. I know this camera is completely fine with the water and the rain and anything. I've shot in worse places, so yeah, it's not a problem at all for me to go down there. The only big problem I have is rain hitting the lens. So we have to prepare the shot, pre-visualize it, get the subject in the position, and then turn the lens towards it, get a few snaps, and then turn it away again, and just hopefully get something good in that short amount of time before the lens just goes splash closed with water. Alright, that was it for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. We had 2 different locations in there. One really known, iconic shot that I wasn't sure if I was going to put it in the episode because I was like, well, there's going to be people. I don't know if it'll be worth shooting. I'm really a bit frustrated when there's a lot of people. But we turned up and it was empty. We had the whole place to ourselves. The conditions, suddenly the sky cleared up. It was absolutely amazing and I was really encouraged to take photos. And these iconic places are iconic for a good reason, and I believe that's an excuse enough to go and shoot it even when a lot of other people have taken photos of it before. And the second location was, you know, this waterfall. I didn't expect to be this crazy, and we got absolutely drenched shooting it. I really enjoyed it. It was a good test for the weather sealing for the cameras, and they survived nice as per usual, really. Yeah, I'm quite happy with the 2 shots, and yeah, stay tuned for next week's episode, which is also in Norway, and yeah, we're gonna be hiking, finding some amazing waterfall and staying in a cabin, so I'm pretty excited about that. So yeah, thanks for watching and please keep shooting.